Okay, first I'd like to say thank you to Frederick for actually getting me motivated to do this. I set out to try and find some materials here in Nova Scotia that were readily available and fairly easy to do a hand drill with. What I found works good so far is bulrush or cattail and a nice dry piece of popple. So we're going to see if we can get a quick ember going here. So as you can see, there we go. I think you can see that there. That worked out pretty well. So yeah, not sure if it was really visible there, but the important thing with the hand drill is to remember pressure is greater than speed, although speed does play a little bit of a part. Hopefully I'll do a more involved one of this when I can get outside. It's not quite so humid. With these materials I did find humidity played a very large part in getting an ember going. As I get better, I'm sure it'll play less a part. Hopefully we'll get another video out soon. Thanks.